In today's video, we'll be taking a look at 17 accessories for GoPro heroes to buy this year. And as usual, in the description below, we have the links to all the accessories mentioned in this video. If you think we missed out any product on our list, please let us know in the comment below. Be sure to subscribe for new content and drop a like below. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 1. Max Lens Mod for Hero 9. A big addition for GoPro on the new Hero 9 Black is its removable lens cover, which allows the attachment of the brand new Max Lens Mod. Easily the Hero 9 Black's most important new accessory and exclusive to the new flagship. It brings a couple of GoPro Max features. 360-degree horizon lock, which means the camera can be rotated through 360 degrees, and an ultra-wide 155-degree max super view mod in 2.7K 60 frames per second. With the Max Lens Mod attached to the Hero 9 Black, 2 modes: Max Hyper Smooth Image Stabilization and Max Super View come to life too. Number 2. Media Mod for Hero 9. While it's been possible to augment GoPro cameras with professional accessories for some time, the Media Mod represents GoPro's latest attempt to bring that kind of stuff in-house. This Media Mod, upsized for larger chassis on the Hero 9 Black, is designed as a one-stop shop to bump up the production value of video shot on the Hero 9. It contains a built-in directional mic as well as a 3.5mm mic port, 2 cold shoe mounts for attaching other accessories like lights, and an HDMI output for monitoring and playback. Number 3. GoPro Display Mod. If you're going to be shooting exciting vlogs and selfies of your travels with Hero 8 Black, then it helps to have a screen that lets you see what you're doing. A clear riposte to the DJI Osmo Action and its front-facing screen, the Display Mod gives Hero 8 users the option to have a flip-up LCD of their own. Worth mentioning that this mod requires the Media Mod in order to work, so it does involve a bit of an outlay. But if you're planning on a lot of vlogging, it's a must. The inclusion on the Hero 9 Black of a front-facing color screen lessens the appeal of a display mod, though its built-in rechargeable battery and micro HDMI connector may still constitute an upgrade for serious filmmakers. Number 4. GoPro Light Mod. For a little extra light to have in a pinch, the Light Mod, which attaches to the Media Mod for either the Hero 8 Black or Hero 9 Black, is an excellent choice. It's got 4 levels of brightness for fine-tuning the amount of light you want, as well as a 30-second overdrive mode that puts out maximized brightness for you when you need to push a little further. It also has a strobe mode for signaling and visibility and puts out light with a color temperature of 5700K. Number 5. GoPro Hero 9 Rechargeable Battery. The GoPro Hero 9 takes a different battery to all previous Hero Black models with an increased 1,720 mAh battery capacity. You might surmise that this means that you get a longer running time from a bigger pack, but in fact, the extra juice is needed to run the introduction of the front LCD screen. Number 6. Floaty for Hero 8 Black. Don't let your brand new Hero 8 Black sink to the bottom of the ocean or a river. Keep it safe and buoyant with this floaty accessory designed specifically for this particular model of camera. Colored in bright orange and surrounded by protective padding, this coat provides all sorts of forms of protection for the Hero 8, giving you some real peace of mind. Number 7. GoPro Protective Housing for Hero 8. If you're plotting to take your GoPro Hero 8 Black on some underwater adventures, then this protective housing should definitely be a priority to pick up. It extends the Hero 8's diving range from 10 meters to an impressive 60 meters and is also built tough and rugged to protect the camera from other shocks and bumps. The skeleton back door also improves audio capture. If you don't have a Hero 8 but instead have picked up an older model, fear not. GoPro still has you covered with a Super Suit, which is up next. Number 8. GoPro Super Suit. Speaking of waterproof camera models, while GoPro has started adding native waterproofing to the more recent Hero cameras, the deepest they'll go is 10 meters. If you plan on diving and are still using a Hero 7 Black or older, your best bet is GoPro's own Super Suit. Its included waterproof back doors allow for diving to up to 196 feet, and it has a flat glass lens to deliver maximum sharpness. The case also serves as protection against dust and flying debris. The waterproof doors can be swapped out for the skeleton doors to allow for use of the touchscreen, though this will make the case no longer waterproof. Number 9. The Handler. Combining multiple useful accessories into one, the Handler is both a hand grip and a flotation device. This means that while the non-slip grip should allow you to keep a hold of your camera in the water, if it does slip out of your hands, it won't sink to the bottom of the ocean. A wrist strap lanyard also helps with keeping the device secure and close by, making it easier to get creative angles and stable video footage. The Handler is a do-it-all grip that works in multiple environments. What's more, thanks to the built-in quick release plate, it's easy to swap the camera from one mount to another. Number 10. GoPro Chesty. If you're planning to take your GoPro biking, hiking, or on a similar adventure, you do well to get yourself the hands-free Chesty mount, allowing you to fully immerse your viewers in the action. Made from lightweight, breathable fabric, the Chesty also sports a quick-release buckle that allows it to be slipped on and off very easily. Its adjustable straps ensure it fits over the vast majority of body types and even heavy jackets if you're taking it into the cold. Number 11. GoPro Head Strap plus QuickClip. Sometimes you want that perfect first-person perspective. The Head Strap plus QuickClip is a useful double package that includes both a fully adjustable head strap and a clip designed for quick attachment to caps, belts, and similar items of apparel. It's a useful pairing, especially for the price. Number 12. GoPro Helmet Front plus Side Mount. GoPro offers a few helmet mounts for different types of protective headgear, but the front plus side mount is the most versatile. As the name implied, you can stick it on the front or side of your headgear depending on what suits you best, and it comes with an included swivel mount assembly that makes it easy to adjust the angle. Number 13. GoPro 3-Way. The impressive 3-Way is an amazingly versatile piece of kit. You can fully extend it to 20 inches to use it as an extension arm or selfie stick, or collapse it down to 7.5 inch to use it as a secure camera grip, or erect it as a tripod to provide static camera support. It isn't quite stable as a dedicated tripod, so if you're likely to be in high winds or on particularly tricky surfaces, you'll want to look elsewhere. For the light traveler, however, this is a fantastic space-saving accessory. Number 14. GoPro Karma Grip. Though GoPro's Karma may not have flown quite as high as the very best drones, the Karma Grip gimbal that formed part of it is still a useful addition to any GoPro setup. It creates smooth footage with a 3-axis stabilization system that works well even in extreme situations, and the integrated buttons on the grip make it easy to control your camera. It's worth noting that a lot of the technology in the Karma Grip made it into the Hero 7 Black and models beyond it. So, while it's compatible with that camera, you very likely don't need to shell out for it if you're already springing for the latest model. Number 15. GoPro Handlebar Seat Post Pole Mount. Useful for bike handlebars, ski poles, and other similar applications, this secure mount uses a hinged, non-slip design to clamp on securely. Its 360-degree base allows for easy changes of angle, and if you're using it in combination with other mounts like a helmet mount, the mounting buckle allows you to quickly swap the camera on and off. Number 16. GoPro Suction Cup. The classic suction cup. Mount your GoPro onto a car, boat, dirt bike, anything with enough flat surface to make the attachment. The cup's grip has been tested at speeds of more than 150 miles per hour, so feel free to open up the throttle and let it rip, safe in the knowledge that your adventures will be captured. Number 17. GoPro Jaws Flex Clamp. With the Jaws Flex Clamp, you can securely attach your GoPro camera to objects ranging in size from 0.25 inch to 2 inches in diameter. The malleable neck allows you to position the camera exactly as you want to best capture what you want it to see. Though, if you want a lower shooting profile, then you can remove the neck and attach the camera directly to the clamp itself. The jaws are designed to grip irregular shapes and even extremely thin objects of less than a centimeter, meaning you can be sure to secure this on practically anything. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below.